Hello, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the LifterLMS custom sales page feature. So how this feature works is it will redirect visitors to your site to a custom sales page if they try to go into a course or membership and they're not enrolled. So what I'm talking about here is I'm in an incognito window in Google Chrome. I'll head over to the course catalog as a visitor and head into the social media marketing course. And if there's no custom sales page, I'll be able to see the, everything on here, the title of the course description, author information, everything on here, the syllabus, access plans, and all that. And you may not want users to see that if they are not enrolled in the course. So in this video, I'll show you how to sort of mask this page. To start out, we'll go into the WordPress admin here. We'll go to Pages, Add New. And what I'll do here is just do custom sales page for social media marketing course. And then this is where you'll make this page look however you want, with images, copy, videos, however you want to sell the course. We'll just do hello, buy now. And then what I can do here is add a block button. We'll just add that button in there. We'll just do buy now right there in the button. And we'll need a URL for this button. So this is where they'll go from the sales page. So typically with your funnel, you'll want them to go straight to the purchase page like they would do. I'll jump over here into the incognito. You want it to go to the same place as right here. So I'll show you where to grab this link in the back end of your site. So what you want to do is go to Courses, head over to Social Media Marketing Course, click Edit, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. Once it finishes loading up here, we'll scroll all the way down and we'll see Course Access Plans. What we'll do is we can drop this down. We don't really need to, because all we need is this purchase link right here. I will open this in a new tab, and this link right here, wpcourseguide.com/purchase/plan ID. We'll just copy this link and put it right into our button, so users go from our sales page directly to the purchase page. And then I'll go ahead and publish this page. And the next step is to go into the course editor again. So now that I've created the page, what we'll do is go into Courses. We will go into Social Media Marketing Course. And then we will scroll all the way down here. And this sales page tab right here, we'll see sales page content. Instead of the default content, I would like to redirect to a WordPress page. And so you have three options here. You can either display the default content, show custom content, and this one you can just type in a WYSIWYG editor what you want them to see. You can also do redirect to custom URL. This would be useful if you have maybe you're using ClickFunnels or some off-site sales kind of thing. You can redirect to any URL with this one. But what we want to do is redirect to a WordPress page. That'll be for a page on our site. And this is the custom sales page for the course I just created. And now that that's in there, I can update the course. And then I'm going to head back down over into my incognito window. And I will head back to the home page. And now as a visitor, instead of seeing that content that only students should be able to see, I'll be redirected to the sales page when I try to go into the course. There we go. There's our sales page. And now I can click the Buy Now button, head straight to the purchase page, and enroll. So that's it for this video. Feel free to let me know in the comments section if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.